Integers can be positive, negative, or zero. But how can you tell if one integer is greater or less than another? In this video, we will look at techniques for comparing and ordering integers. Let's start with an example. This table shows the depths that 4 divers reached in their dives. Use a number line to arrange the numbers from least to greatest. This number line shows the numbers arranged in sequential order. Each tick mark represents 1 unit. Notice that as the negative numbers have an increasing absolute value, they are further to the left on the number line. For example, negative 18 is here. The absolute value of negative 18 is positive 18. Over here is negative 24. The absolute value of negative 24 is positive 24. So negative 24 has a greater absolute value than negative 18. But negative 24 is further to the left of negative 18 on the number line. This means that negative 24 is less than negative 18. And given the positions of the other terms, we can say that negative 25 is less than negative 24, and negative 27 is less than negative 25. So graphing integers on a number line automatically arranges them in numerical order. Let's look at another example. A submersible reached depth A, then it went to a higher depth B before it submerged to depth C, which was deeper than the original depth A. Arrange these depths in order from least to greatest on a number line. We want to arrange points A, B, and C on the number line in numerical order from least to greatest. We know that on a number line, the lower values are to the left and the greater items are to the right. We're also given 2 numerical relationships. A is deeper than B, so this means that A is less than B. We're also told that C is deeper than A, so this means that C is less than A. Let's graph these relationships on the graph. Notice that this number line doesn't have a 0 point or any tick marks. Since no actual values are given, we're given these points relative to each other. Here we have A to the left of B, so this represents this inequality. Since C is less than A, all we need to do is move C to the left of A, as shown here. This arrangement on the number line shows the 3 numbers A, B, and C in increasing order from left to right. Let's look at a final example. Arrange these numbers in numerical order and then graph them on a number line. To organize a group of negative integers, first find the absolute value of each term. Then arrange them in descending order from left to right. Then arrange the negative versions of these integers on the number line in the same order. These are the negative integers in numerical order from least to greatest.